Hello, welcome back to my channel. Today let us learn scallop blanket stitch. We can do this stitch in two lines as we do blanket stitch. In the bottom line, let us put dots at equal intervals. Start on the top line and pick fabric from bottom line to top line in a straight stitch. Place the thread below the needle and pull the thread completely like this. Now pass the needle through the stitch. Place the thread below the needle and pull to make a knot. We have made first knot. Again pass the needle through the same stitch. Place the thread below the needle and pull to make the second knot. Again pass the needle through the same stitch. Place the thread below the needle and pull to make the third knot. We have finished the first stitch. Coming to the next stitch, make a blanket stitch from the bottom line to top line and continue the stitch again. Put 3 knots in the same stitch. Keep the thread below. Pass it on the same stitch. Keep the thread below and make 3 knots. And finish the second stitch. Continue the stitch again and again. This stitch will be very beautiful like lace when used in border lines. I hope you are clear about the stitch. If you have any doubts, please comment on the comment section. If you like this video, click the like button and also share with your friends. If you have not subscribed for my channel so far, please subscribe. Also click the bell icon nearby so that you will get notifications for my future videos. I have posted many videos for embroidering learners and given the links in the description. You can go to those links and learn all other stitches. This is one of the variation in a blanket stitch or the buttonhole stitch. While you finish this stitch, you can finish it on the top line like this. And this is the back view of the stitch. You can see straight lines in this. Thank you for watching.